Jim?
Yeah, boy.
Did you put my stuff in Jello again?
No, I'm gonna.
It is not nice to take people's stuff, Jim. That is unethical.
Nah.
This is the third time. Michael!
Alright, what happened?
Jim put my stapler in Jello.
Jim, you put the right things in Jello again. I don't know what he's talking about.
That is not ethical, Jim. You should not take my stuff.
I didn't do it.
Michael!
Jim, did you do it? Just admit it. No, Michael. It's not. So why are you sure?
I think the whole Jello incident was very immature. We're better than that. This is a workplace. Jen told me to get the Jello. I played a part in it. I thought it was funny.
So yeah, it was me and Pam that got the one with the Jello trick. She actually bought the Jello. I actually pulled it off, put it in a stapler. Yeah, it's pretty fun messing with Dwight in the office. He kind of takes things a little over the top, so we tend to do that a lot around here. So yeah, it's a good time. At this point, I'm still not really sure who put the stapler in Jello. I'm not really in a point where I should care who did it. It's just really important to have a bonding experience in the office to bring all of our clients and employees